In this video, I'll show you how to connect Lovable to GitHub. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so let's get started. First, open Lovable and sign into your account. From the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on your organization name. Open the drop-down menu and select Settings. Inside the settings, look for the Build and Deploy section, then click Git. Here, you'll find the GitHub integration. Click Add Connection to begin. You'll see an option to install the Lovable app on your GitHub account. Before continuing, make sure you're already signed in to the correct GitHub account in another browser tab. This will make the setup much faster. Now, return to Lovable and click Add Account. Your GitHub profile should be detected automatically. You'll be taken to the GitHub authorization page. Review the permissions, scroll down, and click Install and Authorize. Wait a few seconds while Lovable connects to your GitHub account. Once the connection is complete, you're ready to sync a project. Go back to your Lovable dashboard and open the project you want to connect. For this example, I'm using a simple web app. Inside the project, click the project name in the top left corner and open Settings. Then go to the Project section and select Git. Here, choose GitHub and click Connect. Lovable will connect your project to your GitHub account and create a new repository for your project. Give it a moment to finish syncing. Lovable will push your project's codebase directly into the GitHub repository. Once the process is complete, click View on GitHub. You'll now be able to see your project files inside the repository. And that's it. Your Lovable project is now connected to GitHub, making it easier to manage your code, track changes, and collaborate with others. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.